In 2016, the crypto market cap grew to 10 billion US dollars. And then in 2017, it grew to 500 billion US dollars. Then in 2018, it went slightly down to 130 billion US dollars. Then guess what happened in 2019? It again shot up to 250 billion US dollars, and then in 2020 it again grew to 500 billion US dollars. Then in 2021 it shot highly up to 2.5 billion US dollars, and then in 2022 it was valued at 3 trillions. Ladies and gentlemen, these all figures growing up from 10 billions to 3 trillions is an official report to show you that officially crypto has grown into a retirement asset. And in this video, we are going to be discussing on how to get started with crypto as a retirement asset, and how you can get yourself started, especially for people around 30s and also 60s, because I believe from 30 to 60 are the appropriate years for people to start planning how they will retire off businesses and then be able to earn that passive income. Because it has been properly revealed that actually elderly years is the longest period of time that people live on earth. Because if you calculate from 60 or 50 to something like 90, that's like 60, 70, 80, 90. That's like 40 years a person you have to live. And then when you look at it in a different way, is that people do not actually help out people in their elder years, because everybody thinks that you've worked a lot and you must have planned on how you're going to retire. So it is very, very essential for everybody to do proper retirement plan. In this episode, I'm going to take you through how you can make and get started with crypto retirement. This episode is sponsored by Brandy Digital. Brandy Digital is a UK-based company with over 25 years of experience in website development and also website marketing. They can build your idea from scratch and make it a multi-billion company. So if you want to start a crypto company, a blockchain company, something to do with AI, your personal business, please visit brandydigital.com, or you can actually directly email dave@brandydigital.com. When you reach his email, please let him know that you've got a recommendation from Daniel Leinhardt. You will get a discount. The concept of crypto and also blockchain started way back in 2013 when Bitcoin actually expanded all over the world, and we all got to understand what Bitcoin was. So basically, crypto and blockchain, when we talk about crypto and blockchain, people basically understand Bitcoin because this is the mother cryptocurrency. And I also want to agree, even when we are discussing about retirement plans and all that, Bitcoin has always been the main focus. When you want to start to make a retirement plan for yourself, you must always choose Bitcoin. I always tell people that on all your crypto portfolio, you must have Bitcoin at least with 70% choice. Then look at these other altcoins at something like 30%. But when Bitcoin in your portfolio is at 70%, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the most trusted cryptocurrency. Since ever 2019, you will realize that people have continuously been interested in investing in crypto, and their interest in expanding their crypto portfolios has expanded over the years. When you look at what happened in the lockdown seasons, most of the people actually got to understand about crypto and they ventured a lot in crypto, and this has grown people's impact and how they understand crypto. And when you look at the crypto market cap right now, it has expanded to over 3 trillions. And this is a proof for you to show you that crypto has grown into a huge retirement asset. When you want to choose crypto as your retirement portfolio, there are things that you must actually know why you must choose crypto. Let's look at a point of diversification. Crypto is highly you can easily diversify your crypto portfolio, because right now there are over 20,000 crypto assets, which means that you have plenty of them to make choices from, other than these traditional retirement plans. You can choose so many crypto tokens and choose which one will work best for you. Of course, you will find meme coins, you will find AI crypto tokens, you will find shit coins, you will find cryptos that have to do with you will find utility tokens. So amongst all those, you must select a few coins, something like 5 or 4 tokens that you trust, coins that you've made research about, coins that you feel comfortable with. Choose those ones and expand your portfolio, so you can easily diversify and have a lot of choices to make when it comes to crypto, other than these other traditional retirement plans. Also, crypto has turned out to be with higher returns. Of course, when you look at how it started and how it is going right now, you will see that the longer you stay in crypto, the higher the returns you will be able to make. Look at what has happened to Bitcoin. Look at what has happened with Monero. Look at what has happened with Solana. Look at what has happened with Doge. Look at what has happened with look at what has happened. What has happened with Ethereum. A lot of crypto have proved that the longer you stay in it, is the higher returns you will be getting at the end of the day. And also, crypto has become a store of value, especially cryptos that specifically do with the store of value and also utility tokens. I'm not going to advocate for memes and also advocate for shitcoins, because those are not really trusted. They are like gaming tokens, and it's all about betting and sporting, right? But there are these tokens that really carry value with them. Of course, Bitcoin being the mother of them and being the number one cryptocurrency that you should be putting under your choice and consideration. When you spot the right crypto tokens for you, now you must choose which reputable cryptocurrency exchange you must trust with your money. There are so many cryptocurrency exchanges, both decentralized and also centralized. We have Binance. Binance has proved to be an amazing cryptocurrency exchange that offers staking and also farming, which means that if you accumulate a certain token on Binance, let's say you have a million of that token, or you have a few thousands of that token, and it is worth something like $20,000 or $50,000, you can always stake that token. You stay with your initial capital, but then stake it, hold it for some time, and then keep accumulating yields, let's say every 14 days or every 30 days or every 60 days or every 90 days. So you keep making yields of it, that passive income that can make you run through your daily life. There are also decentralized staking platforms where you can stake Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies. So you must really know which decentralized crypto platform you are to use if you want to start staking. Are you going to choose a centralized crypto exchange, or you are actually going to choose a decentralized staking platform for your crypto assets? So you must really know where to put your money. Basically, it is always advisable to choose a decentralized staking platform, because then you have 100% ownership of your money. But even before you choose these decentralized staking platforms, you can always choose these centralized exchanges as you are trying to learn how decentralized platforms work, because there is always what you must learn first. There is always where you have to start from. So start with a centralized platform, and then as you grow in experience with crypto, then you get to find out these decentralized platforms. Of course, if you are buying Solana or Bitcoin and you're still in 2000s, 1000, 5000, you can still be using a centralized platform. But then if you grow to huge amounts of Bitcoin or Ethereum or Nosana or Dicelium or Fetch, then you must really look out for a decentralized crypto staking platform. After looking at where to keep your money and looking at a reputable exchange where you can be staking and all that, then look at how do you set up a wallet and how do you ensure that your crypto wallet is highly secure. I'm going to recommend you this guy. He's called Aman the Perman. This guy taught me all about Bitcoin, all about blockchain security, and he's so amazing. So if you are looking at making crypto your retirement plan and you would wish to hold huge sums of Bitcoin or other crypto assets, please email Aman the Perman at africamail.com. Aman the Perman at africamail.com. He's a good Bitcoin teacher and he will teach you how to 100% make your Bitcoin wallet secure so that you can avoid fraud, scammers, hackers to hack into your retirement money. When you've selected your crypto tokens and assets for your retirement, you must stay up to date and you must also have a long-term perspective. Stay up to date and know what is happening with your crypto assets. Have they changed their smart contracts? Have they introduced a new wallet? Have they deployed anything on their smart contract that you need to actually understand and know how it works? There are crypto tokens, for example, which start with huge sums of supply, and at the end of the day, they are like, you know what, we are going to cut this off and remain with this kind of supply. There are those that start token burning. You must really be updated with the crypto asset that you invested in and also have long-term perspectives. Do not have short-term perspectives. Do not invest in for retirement and then you are looking at withdrawing that money in the next 5 years. Because when it comes to retirement, we are looking at 10 years above. You are 30 years, you are looking to retire at 50, which means that you have all these 20 years to prepare your crypto assets. Do not look at withdrawing your money because it has pumped a little bit, and then you feel like, you know what, I should be taking my money out right now. Maybe if it has grown to thousands and thousands of US dollars, and then when you withdraw that volatile crypto asset, then you can put all that money in USDT, which is stable. Actually, I would advise you that if your crypto asset happens to exponentially grow, let's say you invest in and you've invested in 5,000 US dollars, and then it has grown 200,000 US dollars or 500,000 US dollars. It means that you can then withdraw that crypto asset, exchange it into USDT, which is stable than these other altcoins. So when it is stable, it means that now you are very sure 100% that you are owning a stable asset. Then you can then stake your USDT. That is very, very secure and it is very, very safe. So as long as you have long-term perspectives, you should not be looking at simple pumps and also slight dumps and you get panic attacks, you get crypto panics, then you wish you should sell that crypto asset and then invest in another crypto asset. Then you start yearning to sell it off and invest in another that is pumping at that time. I mean, if you have long-term perspectives of a certain cryptocurrency and you believe in it, it means that it will grow on its pace. And you know what? Every crypto asset has its own time. So you should have long-term perspectives and you should be updated with those crypto assets that you've chosen to invest in with your retirement money. Crypto over time has shown that it can be trusted when it comes to growth with time factor. So the overall concept of crypto retirement is to get in early and at the right time. Get in early with a crypto asset when it is actually still in its when it is still in its explosive growth stage, and grow with it. Okay, then have you made the right choices with that particular cryptocurrency? Because that is also another big factor. Have you made the right choice? And have you gotten in the right time? Because failure for you to make the right choice, it means that even if you wait for all the time, that crypto asset is not going to grow. So do proper research, know which crypto asset has values, know which crypto asset has utility. Is it a utility token? Is it a store of value? How long has it been there? Which team is behind it? How is it marketing itself in the people? Is it using MLM scheme methods? Does it have natural growth? Is it really worth trusting? Those are the things that you should be looking for before trusting in a certain cryptocurrency. My name is Daniel Leonard. Please thank you for watching or listening to this particular episode. Let me know if you want me to tackle anything to do with retirement in crypto. Personally, I'm preparing a lot when it comes to retirement in crypto because at least I can review, verify, understand various crypto projects, understand their technologies, and make right decisions. Daniel Leonard is my name. Please do subscribe, and whenever you're listening this podcast from, please do follow me up on all my other social media platforms, from X, Instagram, and also Facebook.